Hey guys, we're going to be installing this lighted window switch set. Currently from the factory it just comes with the drivers. We'll have just one light on it. And every door is dark, so we're going to go ahead and swap these out. They're all lit. Just want to take your tool and just pry into the back side. Release, and then just slide it back, and it will flip over. You can just push down on this tab here, pull back, and this one push down and pull up. Okay, so first thing we've got to do once we've got it removed is to use a Phillips screwdriver and remove these 3 screws. Alright, once those are out, install the new ones. Looks factory, it's got a nice little chrome accent there on the end. Reconnect. To there. And we'll throw the lights on and see if we have power to it. There we go. Reinstall. Slide it forward. And just press it out. We're going to go ahead and turn on the lights. And then we want to make sure that it's dimmable. And it does. It goes all the way down. Okay, we're back to the rear door. These are going to open exactly the same way. In the back. Slide it back. Push and pull. And these are going to have adapters on them. Move these. Just stick your screwdriver in, push down. Do it on the second one. That'll lift up. And there's one right here in the front. That's the easier one. There's your factory switch. Grab the new one. Just like before, just clip straight in. Reconnect. Slide front end first. Push down into place. Go ahead and turn on. So this is the rear passenger. Okay, got the last one. This is a passenger door. Alright. Slide it back into the front.